Hey there, tech geeks and PC enthusiasts. Are you on the hunt for the perfect PC case that's both sleek and functional? Look no further because we're here to help you find the best PC case on the market. From minimalist designs to futuristic RGB lighting, we've sifted through the options to bring you the ultimate lineup. Get ready to transform your setup into a work of art with our top picks for the best PC cases out there. Let's dive in. To find out more information and updated price of the products we have mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Without further delay, let's get started with the list. At number 5 on our list is the Fractal Design North. Discover the elegance and durability of the Fractal Design North case, featuring real oak or walnut front panels paired with a sleek brass or steel body and tempered glass side panel. The custom-made appearance of this case adds a touch of sophistication to your PC setup, making it one of the most visually striking options on the market. When it comes to cooling performance, the North excels thanks to its wooden front panel, allowing for increased air circulation. Mesh designs on the top and side panels further enhance airflow, ensuring optimal cooling efficiency during use. With the option to install up to 6 120mm fans, you can customize your cooling setup to suit your needs. In terms of features, the North is equipped with 2 pre-installed Aspect 14 PWM fans for enhanced cooling capabilities. The front I/O offers 2 USB 3 ports and 1 USB 3.1 Type-C port for convenient connectivity. Additionally, the case allows for the installation of 2 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 HDDs, providing ample storage options for your system. With 30mm of cable routing space, fixed cable straps, and routing grommets, cable management is made simple and efficient. Experience the convenience and style of the Fractal Design North case, perfect for those who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality in their PC builds. Up next in 4th place is the CORSAIR 6500X. Looking for a PC case that combines style with functionality? Look no further than the CORSAIR 6500X. This case features a sleek panoramic design with durable steel and tempered glass panels, giving you a high-quality build that is sure to impress. Plus, you have the option to customize the look with unique wooden or metallic finish panels, adding a personal touch to your setup. When it comes to cooling, the CORSAIR 6500X excels. With its large dual-chamber design and support for up to 10 fans, you can keep your system running smoothly even under heavy loads. The mesh top and vents at the bottom help with airflow, and with support for up to 3 360mm radiators, you have plenty of options for keeping your components cool. One standout feature of the CORSAIR 6500X is its replaceable panels, allowing you to easily switch up the look of your case. While it would have been nice for CORSAIR to include these panels by default, the option to customize is still a welcome addition. On the downside, pre-installed fans are not included, but the case makes up for it with features like backplug motherboard support, easy cable management, dust filtration, and ample clearances for your components. Overall, the CORSAIR 6500X offers a winning combination of aesthetics and build quality, making it a great choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. At number 3, we have Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. When you first lay eyes on the Cosmos C700M, it's like looking at a spaceship straight out of a sci-fi movie. This PC case boasts a stunning design with 2 RGB strips, sleek brushed aluminum handles, and a seamless transition from the front I/O to the aluminum panel. Not only is it visually striking, but it's also built to last like a tank, making it an attractive option for those looking for both style and durability. When it comes to cooling performance, the Cosmos C700M does not disappoint. With the ability to accommodate up to 9 120 by 140mm fans, 3 on top, 3 in front, 2 at the bottom, and 1 at the rear, along with 4 pre-installed 140mm PWM fans, this case ensures optimal airflow to keep your system running cool and quiet. It can even support multiple radiators, including 2 420mm ones for those looking to take their cooling to the next level. In terms of features, the C700M stands out with its versatility. It is the first chassis in its class to support a 5.25-inch drive, in addition to 5 SSDs and 5 HDDs or 10 SSDs. with 4 different layout options available to cater to various needs. This case offers unparalleled flexibility. Plus, with 4 USB 3 ports and 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port on the front I/O panel, you'll have plenty of connectivity options at your fingertips. At number 2 on our list is the Fractal Design Torrent Black E-ATX. When you set your eyes on the Fractal Torrent, you are immediately drawn to its unique mesh panel design on the front, a perfect blend of plastic and steel. The build quality is top-notch, with 2 tinted glass side panels adding a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic. In terms of cooling performance, this chassis truly shines. With 2 180mm fans at the front bringing in a steady stream of fresh air and 3 fans at the bottom, the Torrent outperforms its competitors in thermal testing. You have the flexibility to swap out the front and bottom fans for up to a 420mm AIO cooler, ensuring optimal cooling for your system. One of the standout features of the Fractal Torrent is the inclusion of 5 massive pre-installed fans, along with a 9-port PWM hub in the back for additional fan support. This chassis can accommodate any motherboard size and the largest GPUs on the market, making it a versatile choice for your build. I had no trouble fitting in the RTX 4090 with plenty of room to spare. With thoughtful design elements like easy cable management options, the Fractal Torrent offers a seamless building experience. This chassis truly stands out for its combination of aesthetics, build quality, cooling performance, and features, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to take their PC setup to the next level. And finally, the number 1 on our list is the CORSAIR 4000D. When it comes to aesthetics and build quality, the CORSAIR 4000D Airflow truly stands out. Featuring a sleek black body, a perforated front panel, and a glass side panel, this case offers a minimalist design that seamlessly blends all elements together. As expected from a CORSAIR product, the build quality is top-notch, ensuring durability and reliability. In terms of cooling performance, the CORSAIR 4000D Airflow excels thanks to its perforated front and top panels that allow for unbeatable airflow. Equipped with 2 120mm air guide fans and support for 4 more, this case ensures efficient cooling for your components. Additionally, it can accommodate a 360mm radiator at the front and a 280mm radiator at the top, making it ideal for AIO setups. One of the standout features of the CORSAIR 4000D Airflow is its pre-installed air guide fans, providing immediate cooling benefits. Furthermore, the magnetic dust filters at the top and front make maintenance a breeze. With support for 2 3.5-inch and 2 2.5-inch drives, this case offers ample storage options. Not to mention its cable management features ensure a clean and organized build. Although the CORSAIR 4000D Airflow boasts a range of impressive features, I did find it lacking in one aspect: the presence of only 1 USB 3 port for I/O. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which PC case you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.